This unique environment-friendly Bluetooth speaker is powered by water. With the growing popularity of wireless Bluetooth speakers in the market, we have seen companies come up with unique Bluetooth speakers to satisfy consumer needs. However, none of the Bluetooth speakers that exist in the market can be powered by the flow of water, except this new hydropower Bluetooth speaker. Developed by a company named Ampere, the Shower Power is a one-of-a-kind Bluetooth speaker that is powered by the flow of the water coming from your shower head. The company says that they created the device to enable users to listen to music, podcasts, or audiobooks during their showers by utilizing the water that they are already using to clean themselves. Pretty ingenious, right? Powered by the flow of water. The water-powered Bluetooth speaker will easily attach to your existing shower head without any additional equipment. Then it will use the company's proprietary hydropower system to charge up the battery of the speaker using the energy from the water flow. As per the company, the said system works like a water wheel in a dam. The shower power has a tiny propeller inside it. So, when you turn on your shower, the water, before reaching you, will flow through the speaker and rotate the propeller rapidly. This powers a mini generator which, in turn, charges the internal battery of the device. Once the device fully charges, it will offer up to 16 hours of playtime, even when the shower is off. As a result, you do not need to waste water to charge the device. One shower is enough to charge up the speaker for extensive usage. Immersive sound quality. Now, even though the speaker is powered by water, it does not compromise on the sound quality. The company installed its proprietary sound wave amplifier in the shower power, which enables it to deliver an immersive 360-degree surround sound experience in the showers. Environment friendly. Apart from these unique features, Ampere also thought about the environment and manufactured the shower power with 100% recyclable ocean plastic. One shower power, according to the company, contains 15 plastic bottles retrieved from the oceans. The company is currently running a Kickstarter campaign for the product. It has already gathered more than $136,000 97 rupees, 73,398 from 1608 backers, as of writing this article. So, if you want one for yourself to get a concert-like experience in your shower, then you can get it for an early bird price of $59 4,369 rupees. Ampere plans to ship the orders in January 2021. Upon the official launch, it will be available on Ampere's official website for $99 7,330 rupees.